Hi friends, I am Jyotimani Kalyanam, proprietor of SRIDHANYA Smart Service, sticker cutting machine dealer. So we are the one of the sticker cutting machine dealer in India. So we have more type of cutting floaters we have dealing in India. So here now in this video you will see that mobile skin protector cutting machine. The name of Mietubl Cut 180T. So in this machine have more machine models, the mobile phone, camera, smartwatch, laptop, and tablet. So more models is in it machine. Lifetime free updation. So maintenance, lowest maintenance, no issue of maintenance, big issue. So light work only. So mobile shop owners attention. Very useful machine to you, because if you want to investment this machine, you can more than earning. So at once please book your machines. And this video has the content of retail shop machines. So please watch it. Don't skip. Please watch it full videos. Customer want machine to immediately please call me or WhatsApp me. So my number on in descriptions and in videos also. My number I will put in. So please call or WhatsApp. Thank you. Watch it.
Is available with you?
No. Cameo problem.
You need to sign in our Indian code.
For cloud.
For cloud operation. Every day it's the cloud operation. Okay. It is the
Phone.
we can cut in this machine. We can cut mobiles, tablets, smartwatches, AirPods, camera lenses, and laptops. Not a laptop, it is a MacBook. 13 inches. This is the 13 inches. Between 0 to 13 inches, we can cut anything. Suppose any model we don't have, then we can do customized also. The customized we can do.
Customize.
Okay. The round shape or rectangle or square type. For example, it is the mobile. We can cut mobile front screen protectors and as well as back skins also. This is the machine. Back skin. Okay. This type. We can cut this type. This is the skins. You can do 360 degrees graph type. We have total 198 brands in all over India, all over world. Total mobile brands. Okay. So customer comes from any country. He brings any mobile. You can cut anything. So these are total 198 brands, but not required for us. It is our in India. It is the more than 14 to 16 is the main players. So Apple, MI, Redmi, Huawei, Honor, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, LG. These are OnePlus and Google, Motorola. These are the main brands. So this is for example. This is the Apple.
So 14 also available. 14
already.
Pro.
14 came 2 months back only.
Now
because
14.
Because it is made by China. It is a very big company in the world. The Mietubl is the brand. So they will create it. Suppose if in India any mobile launches, suppose this week. So suppose today is the 17th. So suppose any new model comes are launching today, but we are getting in updation before 1 week or 3 days.
Okay.
Because every model launch before 1 week in China. That's why they will prepare before launching on India. So this is the main advantage.
Okay.
So this is already 14 Pro, everything is came. So suppose 14 just they recently launched. So that's why they are giving the front screen protectors diagrams, and the back skins also they given the back skin. Only one skin. Once that model is success, or Apple means it is the worldwide brand. So they will develop slowly within 1 week or 10 days. They will develop so many designs in this.
Okay.
Before launching 1 week 10 days, they immediately creating only 1 or 2 designs. For example, Apple 13. So 13 already launched in 1 year back. So you can see how many types are there. Suppose 13 Pro Max. You see so many types. The matte type and the whole types and everything with the cover, without cover, with the pouch, without pouch. So they are creating so many things. And the same back skins also. You require, if you see only you want back, only back. You want the Apple logo, you want Apple logo. You don't want Apple logo, you don't want Apple logo.
Okay.
They are creating 360 degrees also. With the sides also. Sides. And with the camera, without camera. That you see just how many types are there.
Okay.
So they are developing this type. And the same, they are 360 degrees also they are creating. Why? Because it is the already proved and success model. That's why they are working on these models heavily. So 360 means it is the from here to here. The total 360 degrees. So next, if you want only camera lens also, they will give.
Okay.
So this is the main advantage. So you are a 9.3. You see already this is the four types of materials are available. The matte type, and if you go keep pouches, then it will be cut inside. If you don't want to use pouch, then it will become just a back complete. And same with the back skins also. Okay, this is the only you want back, only ear, it is the ear. And you want the sides also, it will be sides. Yes, sir. Total it will become. This is the sides also. Only this one, not upper and everything. So there are the same, some different customers will become. Suppose only camera lens, you want camera lens. So it will be eyes are developed. And the main OnePlus and Vivo, main advantage is Honor, Huawei and Infinix, Motorola, Google tempered glasses are not available in the market. They are not making any tempered glasses for this. So suppose any customer nowadays, more than 80% customers are buying online. Through Amazon or Flipkart or any another social platforms, but they want screen guard. How can in market it is not available? So that's why they come to us. So then we have the materials. We have the clear, matte, anti-blue, anti-privacy. So many materials are there. So we can cut one single material. You can cut more than 33,000, 35,000 models of the mobiles. For you want to do tempered glass business, you need to purchase every model. You need to purchase minimum 4 types of varieties, and you need to buy minimum 1 box means 10 pieces. So which customer comes and he is asking, you don't know. But this machine and it is the inventory is very less. Because you keep 10 sheets of the screen guard, you can cut any time. 10 years before customer you can serve, and after next week coming mobile also you can serve. This is the main advantage. So inventory and stock keeping area also, mental tension is not. So in India, as my observation from the last 1.5 year, in India every month minimum 20-25 new models will be released in all brands. So suppose it is the 1190 by 93. Next month it will come 93 Pro. Next month Max. Next month M31, M31S, M31 Pro, M31. So like that, every month they are launching minimum 25. So suppose it will be available here only, but you need to buy how many types of screen guards from 40 rupees to 1000 rupees, different screen guards, temper glasses available in the market. Depends on the company, depends on the range, depends on the quality. So you need to keep every all varieties of into 10 pieces. But you don't know when it will be when it will be sell. So the customer will be comes to you or another shop. You don't know. But this machine you can keep only one sheet. You can cut anymore. This is the main advantage. Same the tablets also. Up to date tablets also 98 brands in the worldwide. So we have all types of brands. 98 brands of tablets also. You can get the HP, Vivo, and this is the iPad, Apple iPad. So you see how many models in Apple and how many models in Samsung. Just you observe it. The Samsung. You see so many types. These are the complete Samsung models. So customer come with any model, any brand, you can cut and you can serve. It is very easy. So
camera lens.
Which camera?
No, the video camera. No, video camera.
Acha, video camera. Camera.
Camera. Lens. How to this taken?
Sony, Canon, like that.
So this also.
The back side screen.
Okay.
The cameras also there. The watches also there. So many smartphones, so many brands. You can serve with Apple. So there is the 29, 30 meter, 30 mm, 40 mm, 42 mm. Total all types of Apple brands also. So we can get easily. You want to spare time, everything.
But the material.
So customers, please wait for part 3 about Mietubl, because this video has more length. So we will continue on the next video. So please stay on our channel and please see the next video also. Don't skip. So machine wanted customer, immediately please call me and WhatsApp. Because limited stock only, booking customers only. Now we are providing this machine because stock very demand now only, but future it will maybe any changes. So quickly call me, and if any doubt, please message or call. Definitely I will try my level best to service. So thanks my customers. stay on our channel. Please, this video you want, if you want in this video, like this, comment, share, and share your friends, please. Thank you. Subscribe our channel. Stay on. Thank you. I will see and another one of this like this video. Thank you. Jodimani Kalyanam.